Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Warrior YouTube channel. It is a part 2 Aligarh Muslim University PG entrance exam test. Now we solve the section C agronomy optional paper. So let's start the videos. First question is most common species of earthworm used for preparing vermicompost is option A Eudrilus eugeni, option B Perionyx excavatus, option C Acinai foetida, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option C Acinai foetida. The most common species of earthworm used for preparing vermicompost is Acinai foetida. Next question. Intercropping help in option A suppression of weed, option B stability in yield and income, option C reduction of pest and disease, option D all of these. Here the correct answer is option D all of these. Intercropping help in suppression of weed, stability in yield and income, and also reduction of pest and disease. Next question. National Rice Research Institute is located at option A Hyderabad, option B Cuttack, Odisha, option C Kolkata, option D Lucknow. Here the correct answer is option B Cuttack, Odisha. So National Rice Research Institute is located at Cuttack, Odisha. NRRI, also known as CRRI, Central Rice Research Institute, Cuttack, Odisha. Next question. Fertilizer application in maize should be completed before option A tasseling stage, option B silking stage, option C ripening stage, option D knee height stage. Here the correct answer is option A tasseling stage. Fertilizer application in maize should be completed before the tasseling stage. Next question. The largest producer of groundnut in the world is option A is India, option B is China, option C is USA, option D is Philippines. Here the correct answer is option B China. So largest producer of groundnut in the world is China. Next question. Paraquat is A. Option A selective herbicide. Option B non-selective herbicide. Option C translocated herbicide. Option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option B non-selective herbicide. Paraquat is a non-selective herbicide. Next question. Which one among the following sugarcane species is also known as noble cane? Option A is Saccharum sinensis. Option B Saccharum officinarum. Option C Saccharum barberi. Option D Saccharum robustum. Here the correct answer is option B Saccharum officinarum. So sugarcane species also known as noble cane. Here the correct answer is Saccharum officinarum. Next question. Indian Institute of Farming System Research is located at option A Jaipur, option B Karnal, option C Meerut, option D Ghaziabad. Here the correct answer is Meerut. So Indian Institute of Farming System Research is located at Modipuram, Meerut. Next question. Rice inflorescence is colored as option A Silkua, option B Panicle, option C Spikelate, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is B Panicle. Rice inflorescence is also known as panicle. Next question. The term zero tillage was coined by option A Xanthrotul, option B C.M. Donald, option C R.S. Bray, option D William S. God. Here the correct answer is option A Xanthrotul. The term zero tillage was coined by Xanthrotul. Next question. Helianthus anus is commonly known as option A safflower, option B sunflower, option C linseed, option D sesamum. Here the correct answer is option B sunflower. Sunflower also known as Helianthus anus because of Helianthus anus, botanical name of sunflower. Next question. Under dryland condition, most preferred herbicide for maize is option A atrazine, option B fluchlorelin, option C propanil, option D butachlor. Here the correct answer is option A atrazine. Atrazine herbicide is a use under dryland condition, most preferred for maize crop. Next question. If the rate of application per hectare is 3 kg active ingredient, the quantity of Simazin vegetable powder 18% active ingredients required to be spread in 0.33 hectare area would be. According to option, here the correct answer is option B 1.25 kg. Next question is use of green manure crop. Option A is increase nitrogen content. Option B decrease aeration. Option C lower water penetration. Option D none of the above. According to the option, most preferred answer is option A increase nitrogen content. Use of green manure crop is increase nitrogen content. Next question. Directorate of Weed Research is located at option A Hyderabad, option B New Delhi, option C Jabalpur, option D Ludhiana. Here the correct answer is Jabalpur. So Directorate of Weed Research is located at Jabalpur. Next question. The ratio between evapotranspiration of crop and potential evapotranspiration is calculated as option A water coefficient, option B irrigation coefficient, option C crop coefficient, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option C crop coefficient. The ratio between evapotranspiration of crop and potential evapotranspiration is calculated at crop coefficient. Next question. Trickle irrigation is also known as option A sprinkler irrigation, option B micro sprinkler irrigation, option C drip irrigation, option D both A and C. Here the correct answer is option C drip irrigation. So trickle irrigation is also known as drip irrigation. Next question. Which of the following nutrient is highly immobile in plants? Option A calcium, option B phosphorus, option C magnesium, option D potassium. Here the correct answer is calcium. Calcium nutrient is highly immobile in plants. Next question. The groundwater is more polluted due to the option A nitrate fertilizer, option B potassic fertilizer, option C phosphatic fertilizer, option D none of the above. Guys, this question is very confusing. According to my opinion, option A is right. Next question, guys. Which one of the following has organic form of sulfur? Option A phytine, option B cysteine, option C RNA, option D phytine. Here the correct answer is option B cysteine. So organic form of sulfur is a cysteine. Next question. Upas 120 is a variety of option A wheat, option B pigeon pea, option C barley, option D urd bean. Here the correct answer is option B pigeon pea. Upas 120 is a variety of pigeon pea. Next question. Indian mustard is option A Brassica carinata, option B Brassica juncea, option C Brassica nepos, option D Brassica campestris. Correct answer is option B Brassica juncea. So Brassica juncea also known as Indian mustard. Next question, guys. Double symbiotic relationship with nitrogen fixing bacteria is found in option A Phaseolus vulgaris, option B Casinus kazan, option C Sesbania rostrata, option D Glycine max. Correct answer is C Sesbania rostrata. Double symbiotic relationship with nitrogen fixing bacteria is found in Sesbania rostrata, and Sesbania rostrata is also known as Dhecha. Next question is linseed belong to the family. Option A Liliaceae, option B Tiliaceae, option C Linaceae, option D Pedaliaceae. Here the correct answer is option C Linaceae. Linseed belong to the family is a Linaceae. Next question. The term pegging is associated with rice. Option B tobacco, option C groundnut, option D sunflower. Here the correct answer is option C groundnut. The term pegging is associated with groundnut. Pegging stage is a groundnut critical irrigation stage. So guys, it is a part 2 of Aligarh Muslim University PG entrance exam time. If you like the videos, please subscribe our Agriculture Warrior YouTube channel, and if you regarding this question any query, please comment box. Thank you so much.